In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Nextdoor. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nextdoor.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Nextdoor website. Now in order to sign up and create a new account, you can directly continue with your Google, your Apple or your Facebook account, or you can sign up to a new account using your email address. Simply type in your desired email address followed by your account password. Now click on the continue button and you will be asked to enter your first and your last name. So just go ahead and type those in and click on continue once again. Now you will be asked to enter your address. Simply type in your street address and your apartment or suite number. Now click on the continue button once again. And now you will be taken into the verification page. For this, you will simply need to enter your phone number and click on text me a code. After you receive the code in a text, you will simply need to enter the text provided in the verification box. Once you do this, your account will be activated. You can also click on verify another way and you will be asked to enter the verification code if you have received it in your email. If you find a code in your email, you can simply type in this code or click on the skip button. If you click on skip, you can choose to verify later and skip the verification process for now. And now you will be asked to enter your profile picture. You can simply click on the edit button to choose your photo and click on the continue button. Or you can skip this as well by clicking on the skip button. After setting up all of your account information, your account will be activated. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Nextdoor. How to log into your existing account on Nextdoor. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nextdoor.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Nextdoor, where you will be asked to log into your account either using your Google, your Facebook or your Apple account, and you can also use your email address and your password to log in. So simply enter your email address followed by your password. You can then click on the continue button and now you will be asked to enter the code that has been sent to your email address. So just check your inbox and you will find an email from Nextdoor. Within this email, you will find your login code. So you can simply copy this code and paste it in the given box and then click on the login button, or you can directly click on the sign me in button. Once you do either of these, you will be logged in to your account. How to change your password on Nextdoor. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nextdoor.com and press enter. You will then be taken to the official website for Nextdoor, where you can sign in to your account using your login credentials. Once you log in, you will end up on your homepage, which will kind of look like this. Now from the homepage, in order to change your password, simply click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on the settings icon, which is the gear icon. This will now take you into your account settings page. Now from your account settings page, simply scroll down and you will find the change password option. Just go ahead and click on it and now you will be asked to verify your account. You can choose to verify by phone or through an email. This verification process will involve entering a code that will be sent to your phone. After verifying your identity, you will be allowed to set up your new password. So after this, all you need to do is type in your desired new password and then click on the continue button. And then your password will be changed. So after this, every time you log into your Nextdoor account, you will need to use your new password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Nextdoor. How to reset your forgotten password on Nextdoor. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nextdoor.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Nextdoor website where you can log into your account using your Google, your Facebook or your Apple account. You can click on these options if you used your Google, Apple or Facebook account to create your Nextdoor account in the first place. If not, then you will need to log in using your email address. try entering your email address and your password and click on the Continue button. If you don't remember your password and if you have entered your wrong password, then you will now find an option to reset your password. So simply click on the Reset button and you will be asked to enter your email address. Simply type in your email address and click on I'm not a robot to verify your identity. Then you can click on Send Reset Email and you will now be told to check your inbox to find the password reset link. So go ahead and check your inbox and you will find an email from Nextdoor which contains a link that will allow you to reset your password. So click on the link within the email and now you will be allowed to type in your new password. So simply type in your desired new password and then type it in once again to confirm it. You can then click on Set Password and now your password has successfully been reset and you will be logged into your account. And now every time you want to log into your account, you can use your newly set password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Nextdoor. How to create your own post on Nextdoor. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar simply type in nextdoor.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Nextdoor website where you can log in to your account using your email address and your password. Once you log in, you will end up on your homepage where you can find various posts from people close to your location. Now in order to create your post, you can simply click on the What's on Your Mind section and you will be allowed to create your post. After typing in your post, you can simply tap on the Enter button or click on the adjoining arrow key and your post will be displayed just like this on the newsfeed of people that are close to you. And people can interact with your post by liking, commenting and sharing as well. And that is how easy it is to create your very first post. You can also click on the Post option at the left side, which is the green button, and from there you can create your post as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a post on Nextdoor. How to enable dark mode on Nextdoor. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser or the Nextdoor application. Now, if you use your web browser, simply type in nextdoor.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Nextdoor website, and if you're logged into your account already, you will be taken to the dashboard. Once you end up on your dashboard, look for your account icon at the top right corner and click on it. Once you do this, you will see a drop-down menu. Now, from the drop-down menu, click on View Profile, and this will take you into your profile settings page. Now, underneath your name, you will find a gear icon. Just go ahead and click on it, and now you will see several options. From these options, hover over to Appearance and click on it, and now you can select from Dark Mode or Light Mode. Simply click on the Dark Mode option and you will immediately see the application and website interface change into dark mode. You can come back to this setting anytime and select your desired mode by simply clicking on it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up dark mode on Nextdoor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.